Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Loopring Price Prediction and Loopring news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Loopring in 2022. Loopring is an Ethereum token. It is described by its creators as an open-source, non-custodial, auditable exchange protocol. With it, any user will be able to create non-custodial order book exchanges based on Ethereum using zero-knowledge proofs. In 2020, the average daily trading volume across the entire cryptocurrency market fluctuated roughly in the $50-200 million range. Most of this trading takes place on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. These are online platforms operated by private companies that store user funds and facilitate the matching of buy and sell orders. The intended goal of Loopring is to combine centralized order matching with decentralized order settlement on the blockchain into a hybrid product that takes the best from both centralized and decentralized exchanges. The founder and current CEO of the Loopring Foundation, which manages the development of the Loopring protocol, is Daniel Wang, a software engineer and entrepreneur based in Shanghai. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Loopring. Sick of high Ethereum gas fees? Do this instead. Ethereum gas fees are once again approaching record highs, putting a strain on everybody's wallets. With an average Ethereum gas fee now sitting at more than $46 for 20 transfers, Ethereum transactions are now more than 20x higher than most other popular blockchains. As Ethereum becomes increasingly expensive to use, it is now essentially unusable for low-value transactions in the majority of cases. Fortunately, there are a number of ways to cut transaction fees down to a bare minimum, helping you get more out of your transfers. Here's what you need to know. How to reduce ETH gas fees. Time your transactions though in over a year. Average transactions on Solana cost around $0.00025, while transferring on Avalanche costs even lesser, around $0.00004 according to Avax Gas Tracker. With their increasing popularity and users flocking to these low-cost blockchains, their respective ecosystem has also exploded in numbers. Users can check out popular Solana ecosystem apps like Serum and Radium for DeFi applications. For Avalanche ecosystem apps, protocols like Trader Joe and Pangolin are popular among DeFi users. Terra's vibrant ecosystem are also highly popular among lunatics, with Anchor Protocol and Mirror Protocol the most popular. Why are your transaction fees costing so much? One of the major reasons why transactions cost so much usually boils down to the following. You're trying to transfer tokens, you're invoking a smart contract. Unfortunately, any transaction that involves executing a smart contract and/or sending ERC20 or any of the variety of NFT token standards will cost significantly more than conducting a simple ETH transfer. This is due to the fact that smart contract executions are far more taxing on the network than moving ETH between accounts. Contrary to popular belief, the size of the transfer, in ETH terms, has no impact on the cost of the transaction. Only the amount of computational work required for the transactions on-chain have dropped from over 4.32K in December to just 754 this week. Similarly, in the span of 2 months, the network has only added 4K new investors. Furthermore, the volume traded on Loopring V2 has now dropped to just $4.8 million. Back in November, during the rally, the volumes averaged at $17 million. Although the number of Loopring wallets created did see a significant increase over the last 2 months, up from 17.5K to 23.3K, the transactions per day have been dragging in double digits. As a result, Loopring's adoption has come down. The same is visible by the drop in network growth too. Additionally, the lack of volatility will not be helpful at the moment. Usually, lower volatility is good in a rising market, but since Lrc is already at a pretty low level, higher volatility could swing the price in either direction. Hopefully for investors, it'll be upwards of $1. And second news, in the past few months, the fortunes of many of the assets in the crypto sphere have not been particularly promising on the charts. Bitcoin and Ethereum have led the game of musical chairs, with smaller participants such as Loopring seeing massive gains in the process. However, these smaller coins have also been bleeding on the charts for a while now. Loopring sat at an area that offered an interesting risk-to-reward opportunity, but things could quickly go south. The price has been in a downtrend since December. It has flipped multiple longer, while transferring on Avalanche costs even lesser, around $0.00004 according to Avax Gas Tracker. With their increasing popularity and users flocking to these low-cost blockchains, their respective ecosystem has also exploded in numbers. Users can check out popular Solana ecosystem apps like Serum and Radium for DeFi applications. For Avalanche ecosystem apps, protocols like Trader Joe and Pangolin are popular among DeFi users. Terra's vibrant ecosystem are also highly popular among lunatics, with Anchor Protocol and Mirror Protocol the most popular. Why are your transaction fees costing so much? Using other Lrc blockchains, one of the best performing sectors of 2021 was so-called Ethereum killers, or competing layer 1 blockchains that promises ultra-low transaction fees and fast throughput compared to Ethereum. The most popular blockchains, termed Solana, has exploded in popularity and market cap. It grew from a combined market cap of around $681 million at the start of 2021 to $94.5 billion now, a staggering 138x increase in over a year. Average transactions on Solana cost around $0.00025, while transferring on Avalanche costs even lesser, around $0.00004 according to Avax gas tracker. With their increasing popularity and users flocking to these low-cost blockchains, their respective ecosystem has also exploded in numbers. Users can check out popular Solana ecosystem apps like Serum and Radium for DeFi applications. For Avalanche ecosystem app, 99 cents. Lrc Price Prediction 2024. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Loopring will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2024, Lrc is expected to peak at $2.50. The minimum bet could go up to $2.10 if the market turns bullish. Lrc Price Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Loopring price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There's a possibility that the average Lrc price will rise to around $3.14 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $3.67 with a minimum price level $3.05. Loopring Price Prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Loopring, Lrc, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $4.64. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted Loopring's maximum price could be up to $5.33 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Lrc Rate Prediction 2027. The value of Loopring will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. Lrc is expected to reach a maximum rate of $8.12 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Loopring's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Lrc will be between $6.52 and $6.75 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum Lrc price ranges from $6.52 to $8.12 for 2027. Loopring Price Prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Loopring could cross $11.32 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2028. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2028 will be around $10. Loopring Rate Forecast 2029. Loopring's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore the Lrc could be as high as $16.